So guys, welcome to my channel. In this channel, we are going to learn something about the Scott. So guys, this video has been recorded in 2021 January. So this is the latest edition for 2021. The edition number is 6th edition. So if in oral someone asks you which edition the Scott is presently, it's in the 6th edition. The second question which comes for the oral is who published the Scott. So without opening the Scott, you can check actually who published the Scott. How the Scott got into the existence. This got into existence because of the three big associations: International Chamber of Shipping, Oil Company International Marine Firm, and IAPH, International Association for Port and Harbors. So guys, we open it up now. So if you want to know what is this International Chamber of Shipping, ये है क्या actually, and then OCIMF and then IAPH. So if you open the first page of this God, you will find out this textual. So ICS is actually the representative of ship owners and operators in the sectors of work. So they give technical and legal assistance in employment affairs and policy issues. So whatever technical assistance they give it to IMO, and then IMO furthermore publishes it. So similarly, OCIMF is a voluntary assistance for oil companies having interest in ship and terminal crude. So they are the second one. They produce, they help in producing these all assistance for the technical and whichever is related to the cargo and these all things. So next one is International Association of Port and Harbors. This is a non-profit making organization. Same thing, same job. So they all unite and they brought ISCOT into existence. So one of the very basic question of any orals or any competitive exams for the second mates or master is, what is the latest new things which has been added in the new publication of Scott. So once you open the page number 5, you will see the 6th edition encompasses the latest topics, which is detection of petroleum, benzene, H2S, generation of electricity, static electricity, stay current, fire protection, and growing use of electronic technology. In addition, there are few changes which include enclosed space entry, human factors, SMS. There's addition of SMS risk assessment, lockout, tagout, stop work authority. These all things has to be included in ISM. So this is a very big change which has happened. Marine terminal and administration critical importance of tanker intervention. That's we can't do anything about it. Alternative emerging technologies, new technologies. They talk about bunkering operation, especially the LNG carrier. The new LNG carrier bunkering has been started. So there's a new ship. I just read that one new ship, LNG ship, that is specialized only for the LNG bunkering, that has been already been out in Russia. So this God talks about that. Then it talk about the cargo inspector, then alignment of OCIMF with mooring equipment guidelines, then security issue and BMP issue. So linkage to ISPS and best management practice. So ISGOT has kept the last edition. We have seen that there was 4 sections in it: general information, tank information, marine terminal, ship show. So in this ISGOT 6th edition, they are keeping it the same way. They have not changed this the way of the last ISGOT. So it does not actually. There is one very good question being asked to me, that ISGOT, is it compulsory? Because everywhere you see that ISGOT is it's a recommendation, but if you read, you can see over here in the 6th edition they have clearly mentioned it. All operators are urged to ensure that the recommendation in these guides are not only read and fully understood but also followed through their SMS and procedures. So guys, if they have written it that it has to be followed through the SMS, that means that you have to have it. It's not only the recommendation, you have to follow it completely. Okay, so the next question comes up is ISCOT is applicable for which all vessels? Is it applicable for the gas carriers? So here I give the answer for that. ISCOT is only relates to the cargo and crude oil petroleum products that are carried on oil tankers, chemical tankers, gas carrier and combination carrier. So don't get carried away with the gas carriers and combination carriers. Read it more. It does not cover the carriage of chemical and liquefied gases other than in context where they have been used on board of oil tankers. Okay, so it does not talk about the carrying of LNG or other gases or chemicals. It only deals with petroleum products, crude oil, these all things. The carriage of chemical and gas carrier are subjected to the other industry guides. So ISGOT does not deal with gas carriers and chemical carriers. For that we have IBC and IAGC code. So that's all, guys. Next is chapters. So I'll just go a little bit about the chapters. So if you guys want to see what all chapters are there, you can just pause it and write it down. So they have been, I already told you there are 4 sections. So in first section there are 8 chapters. In second section, the tanker information started from the 9th chapter, number 9, the most important 10 enclosed space entry, enclosed spaces. Then it goes, oh, that's a big one. It goes, okay, then start with the marine terminal information. Okay, so the next you keep going on to the marine terminal information. Then last is ship show terminal interface. So guys, you don't need to mug up everything, but you do need to know a few things, like how many actual chapters are there, how many parts ISGOT has been divided. So this is number 25, ship show safety checklist. So this is the general start of the ISGOT. Rest we will see in the next video. Thank you.